friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today I have my latest Orglamix box right here. We are going to unbox it and try everything on. If you are new to these Orglamix unboxings, Orglamix is basically an indie brand and they have really awesome cruelty-free handmade products as well as a subscription service. It's $29 a month and you get 4 to 6 full-size items from their brand. I will have more details as well as a link to sign up down below in case you're interested. It's not an affiliate link, it's just there to make your life easier. If you feel like signing up, I don't get anything for it. They do send me these boxes every month, but I don't get paid in any way, shape, or form. The theme this month is Fruity Beauty. Nothing screams summer is here quite like the juicy, glorious smell of fresh fruit. Mangoes, cherries, peaches, strawberries, watermelons, and obviously avocado taste mighty fine. They also smell pretty amazing too. Here we've gone peak fruity and rounded up the best fruity, mouth-watering, and superfood beauty buys that will appeal to all fruit fans this summer. I think that's super cute. I love fruit. Pretty much the only thing I like about summer is the fact that fruit is everywhere at my disposal for the best price. So I'm all about it. And then inside the card it has the details as well as the prices to all the things you get inside the box. So let's just get started. Two of the things I already used before putting on the rest of this makeup, but I did film those little clips of me using them. First is the Superfruit Under Eye Serum. This retails for $32. This is supposed to lift the upper eyelid and firm the eye area, reducing sagging and improving the appearance of wrinkles and dark circles. Now, the only time that I've used this so far was just now before I put on my makeup, and I really liked the feeling of it. It's very thick, but not so thick that it feels greasy. I mean, it's a little greasy, but in the sense that I feel like it's just gonna get really absorbed into my skin. So I'm gonna continue to use this, probably more specifically at night. I like the smell. It just smells juicy and fruity. They recommend shaking it before use, so if I notice any issues with it, I will let you know, but as of right now, I really like it. I didn't have any issues with my makeup on top of it. The next item is this Coconut Eyeshadow Primer Serum. This retails for $12.50. This is supposed to work around the eyes to make concealers and eyeshadows stay put. Concealers don't crease, eyeshadows stay vibrant and true. I don't know how I feel about this yet. It's a very watery consistency, and I feel like I liked it for my concealer. I feel like my concealer blended out really nice over it. But I had a little bit of issue trying to build up the pigment in my crease area, so I'm not quite sure how I feel about it. Maybe I used a little too much because it does recommend only using a small amount, so I will try it again. But as of right now, I'm a little on the fence. The next thing we got is the Summer Nights Soaking Tea Salts. This retails for $15. It can be used in the bath or rubbed against your skin as a gentle exfoliator. It is chamomile, lemongrass, orange peel, lavender, rose petals, and hibiscus flowers, and it's just supposed to melt stress away. That smells so relaxing. It's such a light scent, it's not overpowering, but I feel like I can just picture myself using this in the bath with some candles going. I would feel so good. It looks like that. I don't know how well you can see that. So obviously I'm not taking you in the bath with me, but I will let you know down below how I feel about this by the time this video goes up. I will at least use that as an exfoliator if I don't have time to use it as a bath. Next thing, we have the Citrus Rhapsody Perfume Oil. This retails for $19. So the notes are gonna be of sweetie grapefruit, lime, and basil. And supposedly also base notes of bamboo and a hint of cedarwood. I don't know how I feel about it. Let me put it on my skin and see how I feel. Okay, it definitely smells much better on the skin. In the jar, it's not my favorite smell, but on my skin, I really like it. I can smell a lot more of those fruity notes than the warm notes. I'm not hating it, I'm not loving it. I'm just kind of neutral about it right now. Moving right along, we have two more things. We have two natural eyeshadows. These retail for $9. We have the shades Papaya Glow and Banana Glaze. Papaya Glow is said to be a bronzy peach color that looks good on everyone, or to try it as a blush. Oh, I wish I would have read that. I totally would have worn it as a blush. I could probably layer a little bit more on my cheeks. And the Banana Glaze, it just says it's a nice yellow hue that you can build up to be as vibrant as you want. So I was thinking maybe I could try this as a highlighter as well. So this is that Papaya one. Ooh, that's pretty. That probably would look awesome as a blush. Let's give that a try. I don't know how much of a difference it made, but it's cute. I mean, I love blush, so. As far as eyeshadow, I'm just gonna take it on my finger and run it across my lid. I already have that transition shade built up in the crease, so we're just gonna pack this on and see what happens. Ooh, that's really pretty on the lid. It's a really nice, just shimmery, bronzy shade. I'm just picking up my transition shade brush that I was using just to buff out the edges. I think that's really pretty. I like it. I'm gonna try this again as a blush as well on a day that I didn't already put on blush. And the Banana Glaze color looks like that. It's just a shimmery golden yellow banana kind of color. So I'm gonna use this as my inner corner highlight. And I'm gonna try it as a face highlight too, potentially. Okay, that's cute. That just adds a nice golden hue. I keep saying golden, but I really mean like a banana yellow hue. It's really cute. I love yellow though. Yellow is my favorite. Try hopping it on the Cupid's bow. Let's do a little nose action. I don't know how much this is working well as a highlight, but it also doesn't claim to be a highlight, so if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Okay, that actually adds a really nice yellow glow to the cheek. I like that. All right, I just threw on a little bit of mascara really quick, and here we are. If I did the math correctly, the total value of all the products inside were $96.50, which is crazy because it's only $29 a month. This one was valued at triple the cost of what it actually is sold for. For the most part, this box was really cool. I like that there was a really good variety of stuff in here. We had skincare, bath stuff, makeup, perfume. I thought it was a really good rounded out mix of products, and I really appreciate that. Do any of you subscribe to this subscription? Let me know what you got. Let me know what you thought about what I got. Let's chat about it. If you enjoyed this Orglamix unboxing, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. Juicy, glorious. I'm already messing up. Dropping it. Why is everyone so busy on this road suddenly? Excuse me.